Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share one of the easiest way you can make money from YouTube without making any videos. So if you're someone who's totally interested in topics like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and do leave a like and a comment on this video guys, because it will really help the YouTube algorithm. So before I dive in, let me first show you guys some of our own results. So you can see the screen. So this is one of our biggest YouTube channel we run, and you can see here so far in the last 28 days it got 295,000 views with $8,365 made. So let me also show you guys the overall revenue, and let me also show you guys the CPM on this niche, because I always work on high CPM niches like $30-40. So let me also show you guys the CPM. So you can see here this is a playback CPM on this YouTube channel, and we're getting paid $44 for 1,000 views. This is before YouTube's cut. So this is our RPM. So this is the exact number we're getting paid for every 1,000 views. So let me also show you guys our lifetime earning and the last 90 days earning. So we just started this channel back in May. So you can see the numbers here. So this is the exact number we made. So $21,941 is what we made from this YouTube channel. So you can also see the monthly breakdown here. So you can see on the month of May we made $4,800, June $6,300, and on July $7,400, and during August, it's August 12th right now, so far we made $3,400. So mostly this month we'll be crossing $8,000 to $10,000 guys. So let's dive in and let me show you guys the exact steps so you can replicate this in your own YouTube channel. So let me first show you guys what are the steps I'm going to cover on this video. So step 1, I'm going to show you guys how you can find videos on YouTube so you can replicate it and upload it back to YouTube. So the channel I showed you guys earlier, we never made any of our content. We just repurpose the content on YouTube and upload it back to YouTube. So step 2, I'm going to share a tool which is going to help you make these videos very easily. So step 3, I'm going to show you guys how to promote your content initially to kickstart your YouTube channel. Step 3 is very important, so make sure you watch this video till the end, because I will be showing you guys the analytics on how we're getting views for free and how we initially kickstarted our own YouTube channel. So let's dive in and let me show you guys some example YouTube channels where you can replicate your content from. So the first channel we're going to take a look at is Health Master. So you can see here, so this YouTube channel got 53 million views with just 79 videos on the channel. And you can see here in the last 30 days, they just uploaded one YouTube video and almost got 720,000 views. So my guess is this YouTube channel making at least $6,000 to $10,000 from this YouTube channel guys. So you can see here, so they make health content. So they just give tips on like you can see try this herb, something like that. Like they talk about high blood pressure, like diabetes, and all those health related content. So mostly this YouTube channel will have a CPM of $10 to $12. So that's just a guess, because I never ran any YouTube channel on this particular niche. So but making videos on this niche is very easy. That's the reason I'm sharing this with you guys. Let's look at some of their videos. So you can see here it's about a tea. So they just made a video on how teas can lower your high blood pressure. So let's play this. So you can see here, so they're just having a couple of footages, like all these footages are stock free footages, and they have a voiceover in the background. So you don't have to hire any voiceover actors. So let me show you guys the easiest way you can do this videos. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's say we're going to replicate this video. So what you need to do is just go ahead and download this video. So let me show you guys a tool which can easily help you make these type of videos. So this is the tool we're going to use to make this type of videos. So what you need to do is just go ahead and log in, and so you can see here, so this is my login dashboard, and what you need to do is you need to click on create new video. So it's going to take you to the template section. So what you need to do is we're going to create an influencer video. So this is content video and this is influencer video. So initially we need to create the script. So what you need to do is just click on influencer video, and you need to select this one, the last one, the social yellow template. So once you select this template, so what we're doing is we're converting the video into script. So that's the reason you need to click on influencer and you need to click on social yellow. I already opened this template. So let me go back to this one. So you can see I just downloaded the video and uploaded it to Vietnamese. So there's an option where it shows as script, just upload the video, and there's an option where it shows as transcribe. Just click this transcribe and it automatically transcribes the entire video. So it's going to give you the script. So like it's going to take you like 1 to 2 minutes to transcribe the entire video. You can see here, so it automatically transcribes the entire video. So we're going to use this entire script to create our own voiceover. So we're not going to do any voiceover. Like I'm going to show you guys a different way where you can just upload this content and get the voiceover for free. So just copy this entire content, and once you've done that, just go back to Vietnamese dashboard and click on new video, and it's going to take you to the template section. So you can see here, this is the template section. And you need to click on content video, and we're going to use this one guys. So we're not going to influencer video, we're going to use content video. So if you guys are interested in getting Vietnamese, I have a 25% discount URL in the description, so you can use that and you will get 25% discount, or else you will be paying like $49 per month. So if you use the link, you can get the Vietnamese for 35 bucks. So you need to click on use this template. So you can see here, so we're going to paste the entire script here. So once it's done, you need to click on the voice section. So this is where we're going to make our own voiceover. So you need to click on auto voice. So if you're someone who's interested in making your own voice, no problem, you can record your own voiceover and upload it to your video, or else you can use this auto voice. You can see here, so these are the voice Vietnamese provides in different accents. You can see here USA, United Kingdom and Australia. So mostly I use Olivia, this one, and Anna. So already the video is made by a woman, so what I do is I try to pick a male voice. So you can also use this Oscar or Harvey. So if you guys are interested in making this voiceover more natural and as human as possible, then I suggest this tool, guys, SpeechFlow. I have a link in the description, you can use that. So this tool will automatically convert the script into a voiceover. So you can see a 100% human sounding voiceover. So this tool can easily get your voiceover done. So once it's done, just go back to Vietnamese, and what we're going to do is we're going to start creating the scenes. So let me go back to the template. So you need to click on create scene. So this is where Vietnamese does the major work for us. So what it does is it automatically goes through the script and finds the clip for us from the internet. So you can see here, so the first scene, so it says consuming. So the speaker says consuming, it automatically brings in a couple of images for us and a couple of videos from the internet. We can use these images and videos, guys, because all these images and videos are from stock free footage websites, so you don't have to worry about anything, because I have a YouTube channel which is completely running from all these clips. So you can 100% use them and you don't have to worry about anything. So let's say we're going to use this one. So you can see here, it automatically fills the screen with this particular scene. So let's go to the second slide. You can see here, these are the 3 T's can lower your high blood pressure. So what we're going to do is we need to click on, it automatically suggests us some keywords. So you can see here, T, blood pressure. So let's click on T, and it automatically searches the story blogs and all websites, and it gives us some suggestion. So you can see here, so what we need to do is we're just going to select some clips. Like if you like this clip, you can use them, or else if you want to use a different clip, you can use them. Or else if you want to use the image, what you need to do is you need to click on image, and it gives you images. So you can see here, so all these are images, guys. So let's say I'm going to use this one. So you can see here, so it automatically fills the slides with the image. So this is going to be a first scene, and this is going to be an image. And if you just want to have videos and you don't have to have any images, then no problem, you can select as many videos as you want. So you can see here, so that this is going to be the third slide, so natural chilling morning. So it automatically picks the word from this slide, and you can see here automatically suggests us some keywords. So morning is the main keyword, so let's click on morning. So it automatically finds some clips like this, guys. So you can see here, this video has one-on-one slides. So what we need to do is we need to keep on selecting different scenes for different paragraphs. So once it's done, what you need to do is just click on download. So before you download, take a preview, and if everything is right, just go ahead and download it and make the voiceover and download the voiceover and put it together and upload it back to YouTube. So let me also show you guys different places where you can get your content from. So let me go back to the YouTube channel. So this is a second YouTube channel you can get your content from. Just go ahead and download these videos and remake them and upload on your own YouTube channel. Or else if you guys are not interested in making YouTube videos from others YouTube videos, so what you can do is you can find websites like this. You can see here 21 causes of rapid weight gain. So you can see here this is an article. So what you can do is just copy this article and paste it on Vietnamese. Vietnamese automatically give you the voiceover, and it automatically suggests you scenes, videos and images for you. You can easily make videos from those articles and upload it back to YouTube. In that way, it's going to be unique. So what I suggest is go back to these channels and look at what other videos already went viral. Just click on sort and click by most popular. So these are the videos which is already went viral. So what you can do is you can find articles on internet, or else you can reuse these videos, guys. So this is how you're going to make your video. So step 3, how you can kickstart your YouTube channel by just promoting your YouTube channel on Facebook groups. So let me show you guys the proof. You can see here, so most of our views comes from browse feature and suggested videos, which means we're getting recommended views by YouTube. So in this section, let me also show you guys the external views. So you can see here like 8,600 views. All those views comes from Facebook groups. By just sharing your video to a Facebook group can easily get you 8,600 views per month. You can see here, so like people watch 6 minutes, guys. So like this is very highly targeted views from Facebook groups. just go ahead and join some Facebook groups, which is something related to your niche. So if you are someone who's going to make videos on health, so just search for health related groups on Facebook and try to join 10 to 15 different groups. And what you can do is once you publish a video on YouTube, you can easily share it to Facebook groups. So initially it can really help you because it can easily help you gain subscribers, and it can easily help you gain a lot of data on your video, because initially you need to kickstart your channel so it automatically gets recommended in future by YouTube algorithm. And if you're someone who's totally new to this channel and you want to join my Facebook group, link in the description. You can use the link to join my Facebook group. So you can see here, this is my Facebook group and we have like 135 members inside this group. We talk about how we can make money from YouTube, and I share my YouTube videos and my results on this group. So make sure you join my Facebook group, and you can also contact this person to get your channel monetized. This guy can really help you get monetized on YouTube within a month. So make sure you check out this guy. So before I complete this video, if you're someone who's really interested in making money from YouTube, then you can join my one-on-one mentorship program. So in the program, we will be having weekly Skype calls, and I'm going to give you guys one of my niches, which has really high CPM, like $40 to $50. So I'm also going to show you guys my YouTube channels so you can easily replicate them. And I'm also help you guys with how you can kickstart your YouTube channel. So if you are interested, just send me a message on Facebook, just DM YT Mentorship, then I'll reply to your questions. And pretty much that's it, guys, and thank you for watching the video. So make sure you leave a like and a comment on this video, guys, because it can really help the YouTube algorithm to pick my videos. And see you guys in the next video.